You better know, say you're blessed. Yeah. Now you see through. Girl, I just feel you. You know me like hold me your legs. You feel good. So good.
You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Na 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 na. When you walk out, na 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel wah. You see me, I feel wah. You see me do my da. Tell me about that wah. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that wah. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my touch.
Hey y'all, this is my airport outfit for my vlog. I look rough as hell. And y'all don't get at me because I made this braid way too long for my wig, but it's actually cute in person, but on camera it looks kind of dumb. Or maybe it's just me. This is what I wore, some Crocs. I'm so happy DR doesn't have like a ton of fucking mosquitoes. Like I just went to Cancun last month, and when I say it was so fucking mosquito-y, it was ridiculous. Now I can't even talk. Yeah, I'm not gonna go all the way over because my suitcase is in the ground floor. It wasn't anything bad. I don't care. Yeah, this is the kitchen. I ain't cleaned up or nothing yet. And this is the Airbnb, so I always expect them to look exactly like they are, and it does, except that you can tell that it's just used, which I don't mind. This is the hallway, this is the door. When you come in, I'm going to show you guys something. This is a portable, like, lock reinforcer. Get one, especially if you travel. This is a bathroom. I'm not gonna get them because it's just a regular bathroom. This is the room. Hey. I'm trying to make a habit of closing the doors because I have a bad habit of getting like really freaked out when I'm sitting on the deck. When I come back and the door goes from me forgetting to close it. This is the other bedroom. This is probably where I'll stay. This is a closet. Very big. They should have a washer and dryer for how big this closet is. And they only have AC in the rooms. So the rest of the house is very like, what's the word? Humid, like tropical climatage, which I don't mind. This is the bathroom. Ooh. Yeah. My other guest hasn't arrived yet. But I'll show you outside. Another downside to this is that it is near a busy road. But honestly, I didn't hear it when I had the doors closed. But this is the balcony. Like in the pictures of this balcony was so long. That's why it like sold me. And it's still selling me, but these small imperfections, just like from people like living here and stuff or using the property, it just shows it. You can just tell. That you didn't see in the picture. A big plus is this restaurant that's connected to it. It's called Andres Carnes Malicone. And you can has a QR code you scan it and it brings up your Instagram, how to order takeout. Apparently you can order to your room. I'm gonna try to do that. If I don't want to go get a drink. But then I might go downstairs. I don't know. Oh, did I walk past the TV and did not talk about it? This dog is so cute. Peace, thumbs up. Okay. Tic-tac-toe. This is Santo Domingo. Very different from Punta Cana Resort. This is the Dominican Republic. Like, don't get it twisted. This is a very nice building in a pretty decent area, but you can clearly see, like, this is Dominican Republic, not Punta Cana. But my partner was like, they were tired of resorts, they want the real experience, so I said, why not? I was kind of thrown off by the trip, because when I say it's not a glamorous trip at all, but it's a beautiful ride, yeah. Now that I've been here, I probably won't come back. Only because I personally like a bit of glamour and luxury. Like, this is really nice, but where I'm at is just like, huh? Like, if you would have saw the route, like, I'm gonna insert clips from my ride, but how these people drive is crazy. Like, they don't even drive. Like, you know how you see the dash lines? They'll be riding on a dash line, but it'll be like people going in opposite directions. Whereas in America, if you have a double solid line, that means one person drives on one side of the road in one direction and the person drives on the other side of the road in another direction. Not here. I don't know where any street signs are. The first time I saw a street sign was literally when I got to this building, and it was the address that she sent me. And when she sent me the address, I was like, is there more? But I guess not. That's not how things work here. But we're literally on the coast of the island. Like, this isn't a beach that you swim in or like go to. Like, people, it's a guy at the pier. I don't know if you can see him. He's fishing. But this is yeah, this isn't a beach for swimming, but they have a beach called Playa de Gaibe, which is a 5-minute drive but a 54-minute walk. So I probably will do that Sunday. Yeah, but I'm not gonna walk. I'm gonna definitely get in a car. But it's just beautiful scenery. The air is nice and clear. I don't smell any smog or just, yeah. I'm definitely gonna clean up. Like, it's clean enough, but I definitely need to clean up. Which is why I think I'm gonna order food to my room. At first I was like, I might go out, but I still might go out. But I have all night, so because I don't think they don't close until midnight. And the good thing about this is on the northern. I mean, like, we're in the same time zone here. Like, I didn't have to worry about it. And it's beautiful. So yeah, when I do something else, I'll film it. Y'all, look at my food. They gave me a hard time about my American cash, but then they took it. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go get in the shower doing me. Okay, y'all, this my outfit. This my pool outfit. I did my makeup. No makeup. And I've also lost like a lot of lashes. So I'm gonna have to redo them tonight, but I'm not doing them today. Yeah. And I'm gonna put my pool shoes on. Yeah, everything from SHEIN. SHEIN too. If the camera would focus. I'm gonna put like a little cover up thing over this, cause I don't like walking through the lobby in my bathing suit. I ain't that comfortable. But yeah, I love it. Love my no makeup. I feel like y'all can't really see my face. Maybe that's better. But yeah, hair's still cute, even though I left my edge control. I did this with mousse and hairspray. But yeah, this is what we giving. Oh, something. See y'all later. The hell and back I went for this goddamn McDonald's, y'all would not believe. Woo! Like, that's all I'm gonna say. This the food. Chicken nuggets, taste the same. French fries look a little different. And the snack wraps. The Sprite with no ice. Other parties in there anyway. Okay. Sprite in other countries is a slightly different taste, but it's still strong. That's their water they give you. Hey y'all, they have snack wraps, so I got 2 of them, but they ain't even for me. And this shit is hot. Can you believe it? It's hot. America, do better. This is the sauce. They gave me tangy barbecue. I asked for goddamn agridulce, which is bitter sweet that translates to sweet and sour sauce. Like, tangy barbecue it is. Okay, y'all, this is my day 3 outfit. This is what I'm wearing to breakfast. SHEIN again. And I'm gonna wear some black sandals that I wore yesterday. But yeah. And I'm wearing my do-rag until I leave back out. Alright, y'all. This is my carnival outfit. This little romper from SHEIN. Same purse, same shoes.